Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to learn about the process of accepting payments for an order in your Dakis Unified Commerce Solution. Here we are on the homepage of our My Dakis account. Please note, as you've probably guessed, we need an order ready before you can get paid. We can either create a new order or use an existing one. We're going to use the one I created during the How to Create an Order video. If you're not sure how to do that, you can check out that video first or see our article on creating orders at help.dakis.com. Let's get started processing a payment. First, let's find the existing order to complete. In the left-hand menu, we can see an icon of a shopping cart labeled Orders. Let's click that now. This will open up the Orders drop-down menu. Let's click the All Orders option from that list. This opens up the All Orders page. Once we're on the Orders page, we can search for the order we want using the Search and Order field right at the top of the page under the blue info box. We can search for past orders with customer name, email, phone, or the order number and line item details. Once we have found the order we want, we can click the View button located on the left side of the order to get the order details. Here, we can review the order details to make sure everything is okay. And when we're ready, hit the green Pay Now button at the top of the screen to proceed to payment. Let's click on Cash Money. This will bring up the amount to pay modal. Here, we can set the payment amount and then click the orange Pay button. Note that you can split payments across multiple methods by using the Amount to Apply field after choosing a payment method. What happens once we click the Pay button will depend on the payment method chosen. Since we chose cash, a modal will appear where we can add the amount tendered and calculate change if applicable. When we're done, we can click the Complete Payment button. For credit card or debit payments, as soon as we click that option, the payment amount is automatically sent to the payment terminal. The customer just needs to follow the prompts on the device to complete the transaction. Once they do, the confirmation is sent back to the Dakis Unified Commerce system automatically. Once we've hit the Complete Payment button, a modal will open asking us if we want to print the receipt or send it by email. Let's go ahead and choose to have it sent by email. We'll get a message confirming it was sent. For any other payment methods like check, Venmo, or custom options, we need to collect the payment from the customer and then click the Complete Payment button to register it. That's it. Now you know how to process payments on your orders. Now get out there and get paid. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.